Alright, so you see how nice and clean it is? I just washed it down real good. I think it looks good. It looks really good. We're fixing to put a burn in on it. Okay. Here's going to come burn in number 1. Put it all in there. Thin layer. There we go. We're going to do 5 times. 3 to 5. That's what you're looking for. Looking for your burn in. It's coming along. It's coming along. Getting a little more done. Got some bacon bits coming up next. Soon. Somewhere. The other thing you learn from doing this is where your hot points are. Of course, the hot points are right in the middle. Alright, well, I'm at the point, I'm going to let it rest for a minute. And we'll do another one here in a second. What you got there, Maddie?
Moo rub.
Moo rub? Who made that?
Me.
You did. Moo rub would be a rub for beef. Am I correct? Yeah.
Wow.
She's still learning. Alright, folks. Maddie made this. Yes, she's learning how to make rubs, and she made this all by herself. No help. And it's called Moo Rub. I can't tell if y'all can see that or not. And one of my subscribers is going to win this, and it'll arrive at your house in a week. A lot of people don't make it this far in the video, so you're lucky. Yeah.
Wow.
All right, folks, that's what I got. Yeah. All right, Maddie, thank you. All right, that's what we got so far. One more layer, burn in, and then I'll start the baking. When I season, I usually start off with bacon ends and pieces. Yeah, it's just the ends because they clean it up when they put it in a regular package, and then they'll do this a little cheaper. And it's something that we don't eat, so it doesn't matter anyway. There'd probably be nothing wrong with eating that. Move it around. Alright, I'm going to do this for a few minutes and we'll come back and see what we got. I'm going to tell you another thing that I did. I also angled it so that it's not draining out here. You notice all the oil's over this way actually. I want to keep the oil on there so I can move it around. Alright, she's looking good. This is what you got to do, people. So there you go. At this point, what I keep doing, I bring that grease back up this way. You'll notice it's browning more back there because that's where the grease is going. Just keep working it. Now what I'm fixing to do, I'm fixing to take this off. I'm also re-seasoning a Dutch oven over there. That'll be another video. When it comes out, it'll be linked at the end. What I'm going to do tomorrow. Well, today I'm going to wipe this thing down and get it cleaned up. Tomorrow, I'm cooking a bacon on it that I'm going to eat. I'm going to make sure that there's no steel taste to it. If there's not, we're all good. If there is, I'm going to do another burn-in till that taste is gone. But I think we're good. I don't think we're going to have a problem at all. Hope you enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up. Click my channel link down below if you're not already subscribed to me, and check out my channel. We got a lot of different things we do over there. Ow! Mostly we have fun. Ouch! It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. I'm gonna tell you this. I have been nibbling on this bacon. There's no bad taste to it. That means the seasoning is done. We're still gonna cook bacon tomorrow though, and probably some eggs and hash browns. I gotta go cook some chicken for the chicken salad tonight. I'll be eating off this too. See you.